Durban Network eduze kwami umongameli weDudula movement uZandile Dabula. Njani president?
Ngiyabona njani?
Siyaphila.
Let's correct that. Operation Dudula political party.
Yes. Ngamsewashini.
Yes.
Uphinde wabuya wathi cha uzosupporta imarch and march. Siyazi ukuthi namhlanje bagubha usuku lwabo lokuzalwa okanye izolo. Batheke ukuligubha kwabo kubuyela estradini since babe kade beqala estradini, and you are a part of them today.
So we thought it was important ukuthi si acknowledge the invitation ephuma kuMangobese. We are all patriots. We are all fighting for the same cause. We've been on the streets for 6 years. She's on the streets for a year. But together we are doing a difference. You know, siyabona ushintsho olukhona kancane. Kodwa kuzoyenzeka so sesifike estradini. Unfortunately kula sibelonga khona. Asibelonge ema-ofisini, asibelongi emva kwama-desktop. We belong to the streets. That's where into zethu zizolunga khona. That's the same reason why Operation Dudula. Sometime next week we are going back to the streets. Inside ekhona, we're going to deal with it. Next week we will be on the streets.
Because that is the question obviously ukuthi over the recent time kuke kwathuleka ngeDudula kwagcina ngingazeki ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Yeah, because last dealer judiciary is captured. SAPS is corrupt to the core. I mean, sayibonga iMadlanga Commission iqukulula zonke izinto ezirong ezenza. And we've been saying that for the past 6 years. Kodwa sesiyakubona kenzeka man. That's the same reason bebe vale Operation Dudula by silence. But they're not going to win. We're going back to the streets.
Mhlawumbe going forward yini enizoqala niyenze as Operation Dudula?
Siyobuyela ema-clinic. I'm sure you would have seen an article from Newsroom Africa. Ukuthi Gauteng province is crying for the debt that's owed by foreign nationals. So we're going to start at the clinics and the hospital, healthcare facilities. That's where we're going.
Mhlawumbe since niqalile noma ubuka yona imarch and march nayo iDudula, ubuke ngathi mhlawumbe kuya-achiveka enikufisayo.
There is light at the end of the tunnel, kodwa njengoba ngishilo before ukuthi kenzeka kancane akusiyi pace le esifunayo kodwa we'll keep pushing. I'm sure yazi iDudula isho ukuthina ngithi so sizoloku siphusha nje kuzoze kenzeka.
Njengabantu aba at the forefront who are carrying this kind of ideology, kusho ukuthini kunini ukubona abantu abangaka besupporta i-initiative that you've started long time ago?
Mina, to me, it's a blessing ukuthi ama-South Africans ngobuningi babo sebevulekile amehlo, because ukuthi ekuqaleni bebesilabela as ama-vigilantes, xenophobic, but bebengaboni ukuthi kuyenzakalani, because thina we could see ukuthi kuyenzakalani le phambili, and if we don't stop it now kuzoba worse. You can imagine if iDudula yayingekho ngabe sekuwest manje, ngabe sisenawo umhlaba. I mean, bheka kuceda ukubekwa i-king e-Eastern Cape. It cannot be correct. In our own land kubekwa ama-chief wama-foreign. It cannot be correct, but that's something that we are condemning. We will be going to the Eastern Cape. We will be dealing with these shenanigans. Amaphoyisa bewe kuphi if abantu babeka nobukhosi ezweni lethu sikhona? So we're going to deal with that.
Really appreciate your time.
Thank you so much, sir. Like KZN, we always support every patriot, whether you're in Western Cape, Eastern Cape, we're going to go there.
Thank you.
This is our ideology. We've been carrying it, and we've been consistent, and we're not going to change.
You're not going to change?
No, we're not going to change.
No,
Agu.
Thank you.